saying we only know about life on planet Earth. Lots of people are hopeful that in a couple decades we'll see something like in the oceans that are on the moons around Pluto and Saturn and Uranus. There's regions there that people think microorganisms might live in. It'd be fascinating to see what they look like in terms of genetics or whatever. Do they use DNA? Do they have proteins? But we don't know anything except what's on our good old planet Earth. So all we can do is look around and see what's in common. And there are certain things that, statements you could say that apply to everything. And we'll go through that list in great detail on Monday. But there is much in common, including the fact that we all have the same kind of macromolecules. So we know our muscles are made of proteins, largely. It's a big component of a protein. Well, that's not unique to muscles. It's not unique to humans. It's not unique to animals. Proteins are found everywhere. You go get some scum off a pond, some green scum, and look at the algae and stuff that's in there. The proteins inside those cells are more or less the exact same ones that are in a muscle cell or brain cell. You'll find analogous exact proteins like a myosin in a muscle cell. That myosin protein is found everywhere, basically. Used for different purposes, different copy numbers, organized in different ways. But the kinds of macromolecules that we trade in, everything on Earth has that. Not only proteins, but DNA, of course, everything is DNA, even down to the small molecules, like we traffic in glucose and fructose and things like that. These molecules that are in the range of a few hundred molecular weight instead of hundreds of thousands. Those smaller metabolites are the